Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to close all running app on iPhone. So if you want to close all running app on iPhone, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So for example, now maybe you open a particular app on your phone, for example Instagram. You open Instagram on your phone and you want to close all the running apps. So by the time you just minimize the app is not closed, the app still runs on the ground. So the best way for you to do that, to close the app, to stop the app, close the app from running, is just try and swipe your the down part of your phone, the down part of your screen, swipe it up a little, then drag it to the right a little, then you have access to all the app running on the ground. So just close it one after the other. And you can also use three fingers at a time to close 3 apps at the same time. You can see, do the same, 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 and that is how you can close all running app on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, turn on the share button and follow for more. Thank you.